Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to edit text, upload images from our phones, use Canva stock photos, and combine text and images into one clear design. So let's get started. First, we are going to open our Canva. Then we are going to go on create custom size here. And then we are going to put in our values. Let's use 1080 by 1080 pixels. That is the Instagram post square size here. Then let us begin with adding some text. So since we don't need this, we are going to just slide it down. So let us begin with adding some text. So we go here to text. We tap on it. We go on add heading. We click on it. It is already highlighted. So you are going to type in what we want. So let me type in what I want. Easy. And then I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to click on our text and just go at the corners and then drag to make it a little bit big. Then slide it up like that. Then we are going to also add our another text. So we go to text again, we go to subheading. So let us write the text that we want to put. It's already highlighted, so you just write. So I'm going to reduce this one a little. I can come here to font size and then slide it back to reduce on its size like that. And then click on this tick here and bring it up here like this. Let us make this a little bit more big so that it balances with the text down like that. So we're also going to make this one a little big like that. So we are going to get some stock images from Canva. So you click on your background like this, then you go to replace, then it will take you directly to your gallery, but we want to get images from Canva. So you go to photos, and then you look for a background that you would want to use. You can write in what you want. You can say white background. Or you can write something like office background. And then they'll bring a number of backgrounds. The images that have the yellow crown on the lower right corner are images that you need to pay for in order to use. So if you're on Canva Pro, that means if you pay for Canva, a monthly payment, you're able to use these ones that have a yellow crown on the lower right corner. But the ones that don't have the crown are the ones that are free to use by everyone. So we are going to look for a background that we would want to use. A simple background. Let us go with this one. Let's see how this one is going to work. So we see that our background is very pronounced, and let us look for another background. I think this one is not going to work. Let me look for a simpler one that we can use. So this is the background that we have chosen. So what we are going to do to make sure our background works together with the text, I'm going to first click on it like this. Then I go to crop. And then I'm going to slide it a little like that. Or I can hold my fingers in the screen and then enlarge it like this to hide some of the things that I don't want. Something like that. Let me crop it again. I want the laptop to be seen. I want the laptop to be seen, but then I don't want the cap to be seen. So I'm going to do something like this. I think I think this will work. So I'm going to extend my text. So if you want to select all your text, you tap on these three circles here. Then you go to select multiple and you select all your text and then you slide it here. So we need to make sure that our text is not far at the edge. So we are going to reduce it a little like that. So now our text, for us to make it more visible, let us edit our background. So you click on the background like this, then you tap on adjust here. And then we are going to increase, I think we are going to increase on the brightness so that the words come out better, like that. And then we are going to close. Then again, you're going to slide slowly like this. And you look for transparency. And then you're going to make it a little bit transparent. Yes. So let us add color to our text. So easy, we can give it a color. So you slide properly, you slide slowly, then you come here to color, click on it like this. And then you click on either this color wheel on the left like this. And then you look for a color that you want. Let me look for a color that I want. So that's my color that I want. And I also want to change the font. So I'm going to click on my text. I go on font. And then I'm going to choose the font that I would want to use. Let me try Anton. Okay, this is good. So I'm going to I'm going to increase its size. Or I would just come here and then drag it like this. I want to crop my image to slide it on the left so that I have some more space for writing. Yeah. So I'm going to also change the font to this. I go to font and then I look for a font that I want. I want this one. And then it is a little bit smaller. So I want to make it big. So now we are going to upload an image from our gallery. So what I will do, if you click on the background, this is what is going to show. But when you click on this tick like this, it's going to be unselected. So if it is unselected, you're going to click on gallery. Then you're going to look for the image that you would want to use. There's a particular image that I'm looking for. I hope I get it. Okay, it's not in my gallery. So I think it's in my uploads. So if I can go to uploads here and then I look for it. Let me look for it. So this is the image that I want. It's the logo. So I'm going to put it up here and go on the corners and reduce it a little like this. And then I'll have it up here. And yes, this is our first Instagram post that we've been able to design. So I would like you to come up with a design based on what we have learned today, and you can send it over to my WhatsApp or my email. I'll be glad to see what you come up with. Love you. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on other videos. Bye.